Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Patrick and Partners along with Bob Icino. Update on the cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum to be specific. So you see here, returning to the rotation zone, making slightly higher lows. Still, there's this key resistance shelf coming in about 73.75 at this point, maybe about 73.70. See, when we get little pops up, there's still selling pressure, but holding the rotation zone. The key level to watch right now is about 7,200. 71.90 to 7,200. If we get a close below there, we'll start watching for the bigger pullback. A close above, if you want to be conservative, you can go to about 7,400. Closing to 7,400, 74.66, and then the same levels as yesterday. Let me switch back to the daily chart. So 76.29, 76.67 is the next cluster, then 78.69. Now, if we do start breaking down and get the bigger pullback, key support comes in at 69.90, so 7,000. Daily rotation zone, prior little spike high from here. So we have the confluence, and just below that you have all this support into the rotation zone. So your first level support is about 7,000. Next level is down to 6,800. So 7,000, 6,800 are the key support levels. It's now finally dropping out of overbought condition. So let's see, but we still may get a bigger pullback and then the rotation back up. Low volume today. It's sort of just basing. So again, we're going to be watching those levels based off that 4-hour chart for a breakout or breakdown. Switching over to Ethereum, pretty much doing the same thing. See, holding the rotation zone. The key level here is going to be about 173 to 173.50. So if you want to be conservative, close above 174. 176.82, so 177, 183.46, then 187.67 to 190 are the upside levels. Minor support coming in about 170 right now. Major support you see here, we're just going to drop below this GAN level at 165, and we're basing off these candle bodies and the bottom of the rotation zone coming in at 164. So if we get a close below 164, we'll start watching for the bigger pullback. A close above 174, we'll start watching for the rally. Switching over to the daily chart, once it goes. So it's starting to work off some of its overbought condition, but basing with sideways move. Key just holding above the 50-day exponential. So it's caught, again, between the 50 and the 200. The 200 simple, the 50 exponential, those are the two highest ones we found test out as the key support resistance levels. So if you get it closed below that 164, there's going to be some minor support, 155.50, and then major support going down to about 150. That's what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.